tayo ngayon sa Philoil Eco Oil Center kung saan magaganap ang opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. At kikilalanin po natin ang mga players ng ating 10-member schools. I am Lizella Nieves for NCAA Season 99.
It's official! Last weekend ay opisyal na ngang nagbukas ang Men and Women's Volleyball Tournament ng NCAA Season 99.
Masaya tayo no, na magsisimula na ang NCAA Volleyball Men's and Women's. No? Especially this is one season away from the centennial celebration. So we're hoping no, na we encourage all the fans, especially yung mga supporters sa mga atleta natin, na suportahan natin ang NCAA. This will be a very exciting season as we are seeing no, yung pag-prepare, yung excitement ng lahat ng mga atleta, lalo na ang 10 schools ng NCAA. And we're hoping with your support that we'll be able to achieve no, milestones for the NCAA this season.
We are very happy. Especially na ang NCAA dito na ginawa sa malaking venue and also with the presence of our boys and girls participation na kailangan i-prioritize din nila yung kanilang academics. Kasi sabi nga nila, ang paglalaro is only secondary. Number one is academics. I'm hopeful na matatapos yung liga na ito without any kind of injuries na mangyayari sa lahat ng athletes.
Super exciting talaga dahil nagsama-sama na naman in one place ang ating student athletes from our 10-member schools.
I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will play in accordance with the rules and regulation of the game and to abide by the decision of the officials of the tournament. I impose this solemn obligation of myself voluntarily, in thought, in word, and in deed, without mental reservation. I will practice self-confidence by showing consideration to all, especially my opponent, and never sacrificing sportsmanship for personal advantage. I will play the game, always mindful, to be humble in victory and noble in defeat. So help me God.
As a rookie po, excited po ako and excited po ako na mapakita po yung mga pinaghirapan po ng team namin sa pre-season na preparation po namin.
Sobrang excited po namin and pressure konti pero nandyan na po yan sa amin, nakadikit na po as athlete po and siguro po honored po na ako po yung pinili ni Coach Mia na maging team captain this season.
Sabi nga po ni Coach, may mga binago po kami sa system namin and na-apply naman po namin and sana po ma-workout namin ngayong season.
Everyday training, then konting adjustment lang doon sa sistema na tinatakbo namin.
Well, really excited. Every game, every moment na tutungtong kami kasi gusto namin makita yung mga pagbabago, yung changes and development ng team.
Siguro po mag-e-enjoy lang this game, then wala pong pressure yung ngayon.
Siyempre po, mixed emotions po. Excited as well as iniisip po namin yung mga need namin gawin for the upcoming games kasi we practiced a lot and gusto namin mapakita namin sa lahat ng games, lahat po nung in-ensayo namin.
Siyempre, sobrang excited ko and parang na-feel ko na overwhelmed na ako. Pero mostly, parang sobrang happy rin po ako na dito na po yung pinag-preparean na po namin dyan.
Preparation natin for this season.
Tamang training po, ganun.
Pero sobrang excited po kasi yun nga, parang in this season po, makakalaro na po kami.
Nag-work hard po kami sa training kasi po last season, parang kinulang po kami makapasok sa Final Four. Ngayon po, ginawa po namin yung lahat para makabawi ngayong season.
At ito po ang mga kaganapan dito lamang sa Philoil Eco Oil Center kung saan naganap ang opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. I am Lizelle Nieves para sa NCAA Season 99.